as world population growth increases. Humans need cool and fresh air that can give them optimal comfort. Pilar Ekatama offer heating, ventilation, and air conditioning solutions for professional buildings and facilities, including hospitals, luxury offices, shopping malls, luxury hotels, as well as manufacturing plants which require dependable systems. Pilar Ekatama focuses on design, supply of different products, system installations, and providing unique solutions to suit customers' needs in the heating, ventilating, and air conditioning business. Our designs are focused on saving our customers time and money from an installation and an operational perspective. We work with customers from the outset to build a clear understanding of their servicing needs, based on building or facility utilization, traffic, opening hours, and special requirements. With our extended service plan, our customers can gain operational reliability, equipment longevity, and reduce operating expenses. Whatever the installation or equipment needs, we can provide a variety of training modules to help our customers to understand the systems, maintenance, and optimal performance management, cost and efficiency management, and troubleshooting. We view clients as partners, we see problems as challenges, and providing solutions as our business. Pilar Ekatama has successfully expanded a network across 34 Indonesian cities, and still is a company grown with Indonesian expertise, attuned to local needs and not just an agency for selling standard foreign manufactured air conditioning and refrigeration system out of the box. We are hoping that our company profile can provide you the right information which can assist you in making the right choice.